Hello friends, welcome to our channel Medical Bazaar. Today we will show you the demo of acco computerized IFT machine. It has 99 programs. Before starting the demo, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. This machine comes with a carry bag, set of wire and pads, set of strap and a gel bottle. Let's start the demo now. Switch on the machine. Attach wire and pads. You can set the parameters as per your requirement. Program up, program down. Set the timer. Set the beat frequency. It has the frequency of 2 kHz and Russian. You can set the sweep pattern. Set the treatment mode, 4-pole vector and tense. After setting all the parameters, you can also set scan, continuous. After setting all the parameters, press start. Use the gel while you place the electrodes on the patient body. After that, increase the intensity as per your requirement. Intensity up, intensity down. You can maintain the balance from here. Once the treatment is completed, press stop and switch off the machine. You can also buy this product online at MedicalBazzar.com. For more videos, please subscribe to the channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram, MedicalBazzar.com. Thank you. The demo is completed.